Hello, and welcome to our video series about our Matchbox collection. This is another design from HomArt, which is our preferred Matchbox provider. And this design is called Rosé All Day. All HomArt Matchboxes have a match striker strip on the side, and the matchboxes are approximately 4.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. And the matchsticks inside are just under 4 inches tall. These are pink tipped matches. You might call these hot pink. But one thing to keep in mind is that this match tip color can vary from box to box. I'm going to show you two other shades of pink we have seen in other boxes that have pink matches. You see we've got almost 3 shades here, and this one on the right, it's almost lavender. Now so far with these Rosé All Day matchboxes, they've been pretty consistent with this color pink, but just keep that in mind for your projects, that the hue of the match tip color can vary, and that also the boxes have an average of 45 matchsticks per box. Their website and their Amazon listings state 50 per box, but it's really just a tad less than that on average. So you may want to get extra boxes for your project to make sure you have enough matchsticks. All of these matchboxes make great birthday gifts, housewarming gifts. They look lovely sitting next to your candles, your oils, your incense, or your cigars. And we think, like all HomArt matchsticks, you will love these. Thanks very much for watching.